skills needed to diagnose and repair a mobile phone. Before you can diagnose and repair a PH1, there are some skills that you need to learn. These skills are soldering, desoldering, testing using a multimeter, jumper setting. Let us briefly discuss each skill in turn. Soldering. Soldering is a process in which two or more metal items are joined together by melting and flowing a filler metal into the joint. The filler metal has a relatively lower melting point. Steps in soldering: 1. Repair the following materials: soldering iron, solder paste, long nose pliers, PCB holder, electronic components, resistors, diode, etc. 2. Plug and preheat the soldering iron. 3. Heat both items at the same time by applying the soldering iron to the copper pad and the component lead. 4. Continue heating and apply a few millimeters of solder. Remove the iron and allow the solder joint to cool naturally. 5. It only takes a second or two to make the perfect joint, which should appear shiny. Desoldering. Desoldering is the removal of solder and components from a printed circuit board for troubleshooting, repair, replacement, and salvage. Steps in desoldering: 1. Use a solder wick, finely braided copper, to wick away excess solder from a soldered connection. 2. Apply the solder wick, then use the soldering iron to the soldered connection. The solder wick will draw the excess solder off the PCB pad.